Katie Price splashed out £10,000 on her latest face surgery using the money she was paid for her Mucky Mansion TV show. The 43-year-old unveiled her dramatic new look when she went out for a birthday meal with fiancé Carl Woods on Tuesday night. 3. Katie Price used her TV show cash to pay for her latest surgery. 3. Katie, pictured last year, is no stranger to going under the knife. A source said, Katie paid for it herself out of the cash she got for the Mucky Mansion TV show. She's saying it was worth it as she's so happy with the result. She thinks Dr. Plovier is the best surgeon around and can't get over how pleased she is with her new look. Katie was paid £45,000 to open the doors of her Sussex mansion to cameras as she renovated it with the help of builder Steve. The bankrupt reality star had an eye and brow lift at a clinic in Belgium last month. She had been seen with a bandaged head and a bruised face in the weeks since. But she was finally ready to reveal her healed face and bright white veneers at celeb hotspot Sheesh this week. Their night out at the Essex restaurant, where truffle cheesy chips cost £25, came the day after the troubled mum of 5 dodged a court showdown over repaying debts of £3.2 million. Katie's latest op is her 4th facelift. She traveled to Brussels via Amsterdam for the brow and eye lift and blepharoplasty eyelid surgery, which stops wrinkles. The whole trip, including the cost of surgery, travel and accommodation, was nearly £10,000. 3. Katie is determined to remain youthful. Credit, Katie Price.